This video is about the why behind for the area of an ellipse, but this explanation uses calculus. It actually uses calculus too. Here are our axes. Here's our ellipse. This is at a, 0, 0, b, negative a, 0, 0, negative b. Now the equation of the ellipse, if it's centered at the origin, is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. And then subtract x squared over a squared to both sides. And then multiply b squared to both sides, and then solve our y, and then take out the b squared from inside the square root, and it becomes a b outside the square root. So this would be the plus b square root, and this would be the minus b square root. So what would this area be? Well, it would be the integral from negative a to a of b the square root of 1 minus x squared over a squared dx. And this part will have the same area as well. And so the area of an ellipse would be 2a1. And so the area of an ellipse would be equal to 2 of that integral. So how do we integrate this? Well, I'm going to be using trigonometric substitution. Here's a right triangle and here's theta. Let this side be equal to x over a, and let the hypotenuse be equal to 1. So this side will be equal to the square root of 1 minus x squared over a squared. Now sine of theta for this triangle is equal to x over a and that over 1. And so sine of theta is equal to x over a. That means that x is equal to a sine of theta. Take a derivative on both sides. And then using the first line again, we get this. And now when x is equal to a, theta is equal to the arc sine of a over a, or the arc sine of 1, and that will be pi over 2. When x is equal to negative a, theta is equal to arc sine of negative a over a, and that will be the arc sine of negative 1, and that will be negative pi over 2. So let's substitute these in. So we get this, and then we simplify, and simplify further. Now 1 minus sine squared, and that square root would be cosine theta. Theta is one of the angles in the right triangle, and so that means that cosine theta has to be positive. And then we simplify again, and then we use a trigonometric identity, and then we take the 1/2 from inside and we bring it outside, and we take the AB from inside and bring it outside because AB is a constant. And then we simplify because 2 times 1/2 is equal to 1. And then we take the integral, and then we substitute in, simplify, simplify again, further simplifying, and eventually we get pi AB to be the area of this ellipse. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to, feel free to click on this playlist to watch more similar videos.